Hello everyone, so today is the 1st of May and I'm doing regular checkup on colonies, and I just wanted to point out one colony. It hasn't been strong from the beginning of the season, and I didn't really have the time to investigate what was the underlying reason for it being too slow on developing, but here we can see exactly what's the problem. So if we take out the frame, you can see drone brood everywhere, the patterns of drone brood. So what it means, all the worker bees that are here are still from the winter, and because the queen, she's not laying fertilized eggs, only unfertile eggs, we will have only drones hatching out here, and the colony is not able to grow because they just basically don't have any worker bees. Here everywhere you can see it's only drones, and eggs, you can see the eggs are laid not very nicely. There are a couple of eggs in one cell, etc. So what I'm gonna do is probably find out where is the queen. And anyways, we need drones, so that's maybe not the worst case scenario, but I'm gonna find out the queen. Where is she? Get rid of her and just merge this colony. Maybe because it has two stores, maybe one store to one colony, another store to another colony, and that will be it. So yeah. So my fellow friends, I went over twice through this colony, but I couldn't find the queen, couldn't locate her. But that's not a big issue. I'll film later how we merge these colonies. So what I'm gonna do, because it's two stores here, in the evening when the bees are calm, because evening is the best time to merge colonies when they're all settled, I'm gonna just choose a colony where I'm gonna lay, just open the colony, the top, take the roof off, and what I'm gonna basically do is place newspaper sheet, maybe cover it with a little bit of honey, and then just take one super from here, put it on the top, and I'll choose another colony, do the same thing, and if there is a queen, they will sort it out by themselves. So see you in the evening when we merge the colonies. I'll film and you can see the whole process. And here I wanted to film another anomaly. Just see the queen. She doesn't have any wings because the bees didn't like her, so during the winter they chewed off her wings. But she's doing a fantastic job, as you can see, eggs all over the comb, etc. They will definitely replace her, but you can see her laying now. So she's doing a fantastic job, although she has no wings. She looks really strange, to be honest. But she's doing great, and she managed to build up this colony. Here she is. They're gonna replace her, but that's not a big issue. The question was whether she can manage and pull off, and whether the bees will supersede her with another queen. But it seems that now they quite like her, although she's a little bit strange looking. But we leave her to work. Further on, I wanted to experiment and see what she can do, what the bees will do, but it seems that the bees like her and there is no problem for them. So yeah, interesting stuff. So it's not evening yet, not late evening, it's not dark yet, but I don't have any other time. I have to merge these two colonies. So what I originally thought, I'm gonna use newspaper, but I will just open a little bit of this plastic film and just merge these colonies. So what I'm doing here is just opening a corner, just like that, in a corner, so the colonies can unite. Here you can see it's just an opening gap. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take and lift this colony on top of here. Hopefully I don't have any protection, but hopefully I won't get stung in the head, because when you move it, when I detach it now, it's the bottom board, and on the bottom there are these guard bees, but let's hope that they won't be too aggressive. Let's see what happens. And just like that, we merged now these two colonies. For the time being, that's okay. What I'm gonna do tomorrow is I'm gonna remove this plastic film so they can merge throughout, and that's gonna be it. The queens will decide among themselves which to keep. They will definitely keep the better one, which is here. They will get rid of the drone layer, and it's gonna be everything sorted. So now we're just gonna wait until tomorrow when we can fully merge these two columns together, and that's gonna be it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.